Some people just don't know when to stop.
And we're one of them.
Today is Mother's Day. If you didn't know, you better call your mama. We talked to our mom earlier. She's doing good. My dad took her and his mom out to dinner yesterday or the day before, or something like that, to beat the rush. And they ate some big old chicken fried steaks. And so my parents are doing awesome. And if you didn't know, our mom and dad, they live like 8 hours south. Jaylena's mom lives like 9 hours east. And so we can't be with our parents today, our moms. So we're gonna give them the best gift that we possibly can to show them that they taught us what hard work really means. So what do we got going on here?
We are getting ready to put up the electric fence along our west side of the property where the animals don't get to eat from. We're hoping that they'll weed eat the fence line for us so we don't have to do the work.
We've never used this type of electric fencing before, so I figured we'd give it a shot. It's the cheapest one we could do compared to what we had. So Premiere One, come on, sponsor us. All right, so we got the electric fence up, and as you can tell, it's working pretty good. They're gonna eat down our fence line. Jared, you good that you don't have to weed eat anymore?
I am good.
So I think it's gonna work out how we need to. We'll see how long they stay in here. All right, now that I'm tired, I had to chase those goats around and put them in there. That was not fun. I wish we could have got it on camera because it was crazy. But we're just gonna go ahead and feed the rest of our animals, just get on with our day. Little chicks are doing great. They're doing awesome. They're just growing every day.
All right, guys, so we're gonna feed all the quail right now. Let's check in and see how they're doing. All right, guys, as you can see, all the quail are doing awesome. Just gonna feed them real quick. Fill up their feed bin. They still haven't laid any eggs yet, but they're pretty cool to watch and see how they interact with each other.
So what are you gonna go feed now?
Well, guys, it's time for our big reveal. To us, it's a big thing.
Uh-oh, but wait.
That's not chicken prints. Look at that. This is my hand, and that's the prints of the newest animals we got.
Could it be an ostrich?
Or is it an emu?
Or is it a water buffalo?
Or is it a camel? Let's find out.
We're gonna call them over and see if they'll come to the camera. So let's see.
Come here. Come here. We got turkey. Come here. Come here.
As you can tell, we got some turkey. It's pretty awesome. They're super nice. Look at them right there eating out of Jared's hand.
These things are awesome. They're so cool.
So we've been wanting some turkey for a while. We got 4 of them. We know for sure that one's a male, one's a female. The other 2 we're kind of not sure on. So the black one we're gonna name Tom, and then the other female that we know is a female is gonna be Rhonda. Tom and Rhonda, after our awesome neighbors, they named their 2 little goats they got, Jason and Jared. And then the other 2 we're gonna name
Thanksgiving and Christmas.
That's right. So now our goal has been, you know, this is Jaylena's big goal, is to have Thanksgiving dinner here with our own food from the garden and turkey and stuff like that. So we're super excited for this. It's a whole new step for us. We're used to going out to our ranch and hunting these guys, and now we get to wake up in the morning and hear, we get to hear that every morning now, and it's pretty cool. So did any of you guys guess from our Instagram and Facebook post that we were gonna get a turkey? So from what we were told, they're very close to the age to start laying eggs. So we're gonna keep the male and the female, try to get some eggs, incubate them, probably give some to our neighbors once we hatch them out. But this is a cool new thing for us. If you guys guessed that we got turkey, comment down below. And if you didn't guess because you're not on our Facebook and Instagram, you're missing out. So go look that up.
Like we said earlier, we just don't know when to quit. We're gonna keep getting animals because we absolutely love this lifestyle. So guys, here are the beans from yesterday that I cooked up. They look and taste awesome. And then here's the salsa that I made that has the ghost pepper powder in there. So I'm gonna add a big spoonful into my beans and see what they taste like together. Just mix that in there, be nice and spicy. Definitely got a kick to it.
So I'm gonna try these beans. We'll see if they're any good. It's got really good flavor. Jared put a lot of weird stuff in there, but it works. You just have to take my word for it. But now I'm terrified to try this salsa, so let's see how this goes. So now I'm gonna try some of this salsa Jared did, and I am a weenie when it comes to spicy stuff. So I'm not looking forward to this, Wayne. It's definitely got a kick, and it's burning the back of my tongue. It is burning my throat now. I don't recommend this to anybody. I think Jared's lying when he says it's not hot, but Wayne, never again. Jaylena's not here to try the stuff right now. She's with her friend. She's been battling cancer for the last like 6-7 years, and she's Jaylena's age. And so she's out there gonna visit with her because honestly, we don't know how much more time she has. Hopefully a lot more than anyone is expecting. But if you guys can keep her, Jaylena's friend, in your thoughts and prayers, that'd be awesome. And I know Jaylena appreciate that, and that girl. And then also Jared, because I don't think he can handle the spiciness.
It's definitely hot.
It's got a little kick, Wayne. Another thing I want to talk about is it's Mother's Day. And so we want to say Happy Mother's Day to you, Mom. And actually moms, because now I have 2 moms. Now what you're thinking, it's Jaylena's mom, and she is now my mom. So now I have a mom in South Texas, and I have a mom in Nashville. And a lot of you guys kind of, you know, think of us as your son or grandson. So we want to wish you a happy Mother's Day, and thank you for all the support that you guys give us. Happy Mother's Day to all our animals out there that have given birth and become moms and has helped us out in our homestead. And so we want to thank all you moms out there, and even you dads that maybe the mom isn't around, unfortunately, and you stepped up and you did what you had to do. You know, I know a lot of times on Father's Day, moms get recognition, and I don't think today should be any different. So I think you guys out there pulling the weight of mom and dad too should get that recognition. So you guys are awesome as well. Well, we just finished eating, took a little lunch break. We're gonna come check on the goats, see how they're doing. And we got a problem here. Stainer, what are you doing? Hey, what are you doing? So Jared was able to get the goats back in there, and then I went and helped the neighbor real quick, and then I came back, and Jared is out here in the garden. So let's see what he is up to. What are you doing?
Weeding the carrots. Here at the Crocker Homestead, if we don't do it, it doesn't get done. So I'm out here sweating, working my tail off on my day off. Make sure that we try to get our garden top notch. But enough of this, I got to get back to work.
As you guys can tell, this side of the garden's not doing so great. That side's a lot better. But all this, there's really nothing in here planted other than got some watermelon or something down in here. But other than that, there's not a whole lot going on this side, so we're not too worried about it. But we do need a weed over there where the carrots are.
So guys, this is for anybody that has a disability. As you can see, I can still do it on my own. It takes a lot of work, but can't let anything hold you back, and the carrots still have to be weeded, so back to work. Well guys, this is about as good as it's gonna get today. It's really muddy out here, super tired. So I have to go through and pick a little bit of grass in between everything, but we're able to clear out a path on each side of the carrots. So I was watching Dutch and Arm's Family Homestead, their live chat the other day, and one of their viewers had asked if they could do a video of somebody with disabilities doing the homesteading life and how that would work out. Well, here at the Crocker Homestead, we do this every day. Had a lawnmower accident, lost my left leg below the knee when I was 2. Hadn't stopped me from doing anything. We're out here doing some yard work. And I want to say thank you, Mom, for always pushing me to work hard and try to keep up with everybody else, even though it was a little bit harder, but because of you, I was able to do everything that I wanted to do. So thanks, Mom, love you.
So we just want to end this video, this Mother's Day video, thanking all you moms out there, and just, you know, no matter what's going on in y'all's lives, your mom's always there for you. So we want to end this video with a couple of our favorite clips so far this year of our mom.
Love you, Mom.
Thanks, Mom. Love you. Happy Mother's Day.
And Easter time would come around, and since I had 3 boys, instead of your typical Easter baskets, I would normally make a fishing Easter basket, or the Easter bunny would, I mean, and would bring bait and lures and fishing tackle, and they just loved it. Of course, it was full of candy too.
Those are some great high points. Some of the low points, to me, is my little dog choking. But he does that all the time. He'll get over it.
What'd you think of all them hogs running by? Did it get your blood pumping?
It did. It was so exciting. They kept going and going and going.
How many was there, like 50, 60, 80?
I thought 45, but I guess I was wrong.
I think there was like 12, 13.
Yeah, but it seemed endless.
Yep.
At night, he's going to close them in. This is the little chicken, where the chickens are going to be. And then over here are the female pens.
Say my flounder.
I've never had anything to do with chicken.
Except eating them?
Yeah. Look at that chicken. Look at you.
My mom gets scared very easy, so I'm gonna go scare her real quick. Mom! Mom!
And then it moved into the big box where we were filling them up every night.
Mom!
So the guys are outside, and we came in to get a drink.
And that Jason has been getting me all day, scaring me. My heart is still racing. We are going to get him back. Now it's time for payback. Got you, baby, got it! Woo! Don't scare baby no more. I better get away from that.